Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making mozzarella sticks, and I'm going to be using hearts of palm. Now, I never really knew what hearts of palm were. I've seen them in the grocery store. I may have had them once or twice on a salad bar, but they actually do come from the center of little palm trees. I think they grow in Costa Rica and maybe in Hawaii. And they've got fiber and protein and vitamin C. They're really healthy for you. I had to do a little research because I really wasn't sure what they were, but they are really from the little center core of little baby coconut palms. So it's kind of interesting. And they kind of, I don't know, they kind of will peel like a mozzarella, like a string cheese. So I saw somebody do something similar to this, but they fried them in oil, and I wanted to make a healthier version, so I'm going to make mine in the air fryer. You could use the oven as well, but it's so hot. We're in the heat wave right now. I do not want to turn this oven on, so I'm just going to use my air fryer. But you could definitely do these in the oven as well. So I'm going to bring you over to give you a closer look. I'm going to make a little bit of a batter and show you what I'm going to be breading them in. It's something interesting, something new I'm trying. So let's get started. So the hearts of palm you will find in the grocery store next to the artichoke hearts. And what you want to do first when you get them home, when you're going to make this dish, is you're going to drain them and you're going to dry them off on a paper towel. We want them fairly dry. And then I've just got some chickpea flour here. I'm going to add some soy milk to it to make a light batter. But what I'm going to be breading them with is chickpeas. I made chickpeas breadcrumbs. I thought that would be really cool. So no oil in these. We're gonna add some seasoning to this, but basically we're gonna be using chickpea flours and chickpea breadcrumbs. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be adding some Italian seasoning. I'm not gonna measure, just gonna put some in here. Good amount. And then I'm also going to have some granulated garlic. I swear I put this stuff in everything. All right. We'll kind of just mix this around. Now I've got about a 1/3 cup of chickpea flour. I'm just going to add some soy milk until I get the desired consistency I want. Always make sure you shake up your plant milks. Let's see if that's enough. I just don't want it super thick. I basically am just using this so the breading will stick to it. Okay, I think that's perfect. You can see that. Gonna mix it up a little bit more, get all the lumps out. Okay, that should be good enough. And then a little confession here, I have never made this before, so I'm just winging it. So this is kind of fun, kind of exciting. All right, so I'm gonna take move this here, get a little assembly line going. I'm going to my basket for my air fryer ready. So I'm just going to take one and dip it in here. Still got a few lumps in it, but that's okay. I'm going to drop it in here. And I think we're just going to bread it like so, maybe on the ends too. And then I'm going to place that in my basket. So let's do another one. And I like my method, one hand for wet, one hand for dry. It's a lot less messier. All right, I'm just gonna continue breading the rest of these and then we'll pop them in the air fryer. So I have there's about 7 in here. So we're gonna put these in the air fryer. And I think we'll do 370 for about 15 minutes. And we will check it after 15 minutes. So let's take a look. It's been 15 minutes. hot. I think these look pretty good. I could probably let them go a little bit longer, but I don't want to chance it. I don't want to burn them, so I'm going to plate this up and then we're going to give these a taste. So our mozzarella sticks are done. Came out nice and crispy. Added some parsley. I've got some marinara sauce I'm going to dip these into. And I will do a recipe on how I made the breadcrumbs on another video. And let's give it a try. See if this was a success or not. Okay, here we go. It's interesting, but it's really good. One more bite. I think probably they could have cooked a couple minutes longer, but I really like the texture of it. Of course, it's not exactly like mozzarella cheese, but it's great. This will make a great appetizer. I'm excited. It came out good. Super easy. Like all my recipes, right? So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the planet, and it's good for the animals. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, thank you.